Higgsfield Sol 2.0 now allows you to create incredibly realistic images, and Kling 3.0 brings those images to life through animation in just minutes with some very simple prompts. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. So Higgsfield is an all-in-one AI image and video generator, and what that means is using just one platform, you can use the most advanced AI video and image models like Nano Banana 2, Sol 2.0, Kling 3.0, all on one website. So you don't need dozens of different subscriptions for each model. And that's why I'm working with Higgsfield to create this step-by-step tutorial for you, because there's so much you can do within the website. It might look overwhelming at first, but it's actually very straightforward once you know your way around. And I'll drop a link in the description below if you do want to check Higgsfield out. So let's start with the Explore page. There are so many things you can do on Higgsfield. As you can see, there are 12 tabs at the top, and we're going to focus on image, video, and character. So to create a very cinematic AI video using Higgsfield, it literally just takes 3 steps. Step 1 is you upload your own image to start with, and this can be your own image of you or an image from the internet, or you could even ask AI to generate you a complete new image. I'm going to be using models Sol 2.0 and Nano Banana 2 for my examples to create my images. And I'll tell you later why I'm using both Sol 2.0 and Nano Banana 2 and not just one. So step 2, you give the AI your prompts to animate your image, basically telling it what video you want to make. So I'll create the image on Sol 2.0, then I'll use the latest model of Kling 3.0 for my video generation to essentially turn the image into a video. And Kling Video 3.0 is an upgrade of Kling Video 2.6, designed to improve multi-shot generation, native audio integration, element consistency, and long duration video generation with a unified multimodal model. In simple terms, that basically means 3.0 is much better than 2.6. And step 3, you click generate, and within just a few minutes, you get some very realistic AI video. So let's start with step 1, creating the image. Starting from the Explore homepage, we'll be going to the Image tab, and we'll be using the latest version of Higgsfield Sol 2.0 for this. And I'll give you a few different examples of how you can use Sol 2.0 to create so many different types of AI images. Now, for the first image, I want Sol 2.0 to know how to create AI images of me. Within Higgsfield, I'll use the Sol ID character and basically upload photos of me so the AI knows what I look like. Now, it generally recommends 40 or more high-definition photos, preferably some with different angles so it knows what you look like from all sides. You can even upload different characters, so I've added some images of Elon Musk, just as an example, so I can write a prompt saying something like, create an image of me having a conversation with Elon Musk. And Sol 2.0 will be able to use these characters to know exactly what we look like. Okay, so now that you've created your character, you can then go ahead and ask Sol 2.0 to create an image of you in pretty much any situation. To actually create your prompts, it's super easy. You can use whatever LLM you're using, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. They all work great for this. I personally use Claude, and this is the prompt that Claude gave me. Lone male triathlete, lean and weathered, standing waist deep in dark open ocean at pre-dawn, goggles pushed up on forehead, wetsuit unzipped at the chest, staring directly into the horizon. And this is the image Sol 2.0 created. And if you look at this face and you look at my face, it's crazy how realistic this AI image is. However, I don't like that I'm wearing some kind of V-shaped swimming vest. I don't even know what it is, but no problem. I can change the image so I wear whatever I like using Nano Banana 2. The difference between Sol 2.0 and Nano Banana 2 is that Sol 2.0 generates the image from scratch using the characters feature, where I train the AI to know what my character looks like, while Nano Banana 2 is an editing tool that lets you modify specific elements of an already generated image, kind of like swapping out clothing, changing colors, or replacing objects without rebuilding the entire image from the ground up. So using Nano Banana 2, I can easily change the image from this to this, which in my opinion looks a lot better. And all I did was use the prompt, take this image of me and have me wear a tri-suit, keep everything else the same. Now that I'm happy with the image, I can even edit it further. Let's say I want to change the angle of the camera. I can just click on angles, adjust the rotation, tilt, and or zoom, and then click generate. And it changes the angle that the apparent photographer takes the image at. Or I can increase the brightness of the lights coming from above. And this is the new image with some kind of floodlight shining down. It's crazy to think how much time and resources it would have taken, even just 1 year ago, to actually take these kind of images. I'd have to hire a photographer, drive over to the beach, spend at least 30 minutes or so getting the right shot, then driving home, and then there's the post-editing. That's like at least half a day of work, plus hiring a photographer. Now, with Higgsfield, I can do a whole photo shoot in just minutes. Here's another example. I asked Soul 2.0 to show me exhausted after a run on the beach. And again, it does actually look like me. You can even create an entirely new AI influencer for Instagram. For example, I created these 4 images within just a few minutes using the same prompt, but I changed the style for each one using Higgsfield's mood board. So you can see how there's so many different ways you can create AI images. Okay, so creating the AI image, that's step 1. Now we can move on to the next stage, which is animating the image and essentially turning it into a video. Now to do that, we go to the home page, we hover over the video tab, click on Kling 3.0 because that's the newest model at the time of this video, and then I added the image that I created earlier of me in the ocean. Then I type in a prompt. I use Claude to make this prompt. I basically just asked it to make an emotional 3-shot video, cinematic, no movement, no music prompt. But I want each shot to get closer and closer to increase the intensity. And I clicked the generate button, and this is what Kling 3.0 created.
Most people are waiting for the right moment. The right moment is right now. It always was.
It's not bad at all. The most important thing is it does actually look like me. I'll give you a slightly more complex example a bit later on. So let's start with creating an image with AI. So I'll start with this image, which is a real photo taken of me about 1 year ago with one of my team members. And I add it to Higgsfield AI and I give it the prompt. Use this image, keep it exactly as it is, but make the person on the right side Elon Musk. And sure enough, I'm now having a conversation with Elon Musk. I then go over to Kling 3.0 and I choose multi-shot. And I don't have to, I'll show you another way. That's actually a lot easier later on. But multi-shot and custom just gives you a bit more control. Now with shot 1, I type in my character Mike and I type in what I want Mike to say. Shot 2, I do the same. I can choose the duration of the angle all the way up to 10 seconds. And for this particular example, I'll choose 3 seconds. Same with shot 3. And then I click generate. And here is a clip of me having a conversation with Elon Musk that I created in less than 3 minutes.
Elon, do you ever sleep?
Sleep is a bug in the human operating system.
That explains why I haven't slept properly in years.
Another way of generating an AI video clip, which is even faster, is basically ask Kling 3.0 to do everything for you. And for this example, I didn't even tell Kling 3.0 what to say. I just gave it one image to start with and left it to the AI to create the conversation.
Okay. One tweak, fewer steps, people actually finish.
Cut the friction, measure the drop off, and ship it. If it's boring, it'll work.
So the AI chose the conversation, but it also chose the camera angles, the emotion of the two characters, pretty much everything. Here's another example of an image I created using Soul 2.0 and Nano Banana, which then turned into this conversation.
Elon, what excites you most about AI?
It gives ordinary people extraordinary power.
I guess AI levels the playing field.
And that's exactly what makes Higgsfield such a powerful tool. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who wants to experiment with AI, you can go from a single photo to a cinematic, realistic video in minutes without a camera crew, without a studio, and without a huge budget. So I'll drop a link in the description below if you do want to check Higgsfield out. And if you like this video, I've made 2 other AI tutorial videos. You can click on either of these end cards to watch those, and I'll see you over there.